Mhm.
Video, 1 minute video. Sir, your PPT. Can you share your PPT?
Yes, sir. Yes. Is it visible, sir? Panda
It's
sir,
coming. It's coming. It's
is it
coming, sir.
visible?
Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Okay. Shall we start, sir, right now?
Okay, okay, no problem.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the final day, the fifth day of the 5 days workshop. Uh, Atal FDP, sponsored by AICT and conducted by Department of Science and Humanities, St. Martin's College of Engineering, Hyderabad. Okay, I welcome all of you to the beautiful, engaging session by Dr. Chandan Sahu. He's a professor of NIT, and right now, may I now request my fellow colleague to introduce him to you, madam.
Good morning, everyone. Dr. Chandan Kumar Sahu, Professor, School of Management, National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, holds a PhD in Organizational Reconstructing and Human Resource Management. He also holds MPhil in Manpower Planning and Development, a member of editorial board of journals, a reviewer of international research papers, PhD theses, examiner, board of study member, invited speaker, trainer for MBPs. He is a life member of Indian Industrial Relations Association, New Delhi, Indian Society for Training and Development, New Delhi, National Human Resource Development Network, NHRDN, Hyderabad, Indian Society of Labor Economics, New Delhi, Institute of Personal Management, Kolkata, Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi, Social Security Association of India, New Delhi, Power HR Forum, New Delhi, Academy of Management, NY, USA, Society for Human Resource Management, USA, and he has been training RBI, NTPC, NALCO, and many more companies. Now I request Saho sir to continue with the session.
Sir, over to you.
Okay. Thank you, sir and madam, for your introducing me. Okay. And I am getting opportunity to interact with my thoughts on emotional intelligence, emotional balance, and emotional maturity. So this is the last day perhaps, and 4 days, last 4 days, and the participants, they have learned a lot. And my job is to refresh, and I feel little bit less work, and I have to do. So you find out when you think about a system, nothing but industrial system, any organization where the key constituent is human resource or people. So how to deal with human beings because they are not machines. If you think about the scientific management, so it is more mechanization and automation than the new classical human relations approach. And now you see different behavioral dimensions. We have studied OB or LGBO in individual, group, as well as organizational setup, how people they are behaving themselves. So anywhere we are working with people. though it is physical setting, though it is production organization, though it is service organization, but everywhere we have to find people, even with our family, even with the society, even the organization, we find people. But the question is what, how we can able to and behave, how we can behave properly so that we have to manage our own emotion and side by side we are helping others to manage their emotion. So the key theme of my presentation, which may like or not, I don't know, but my thought is saying about three areas. So emotion, from that we can derive three things, the structure of presentation, which will say about three things. One is emotional intelligence, emotional balance, and emotional maturity. So on the basis of that, what are the outcomes we can get out of that? So how we can use nothing but the applications. First, we develop emotional intelligence. How long we can maintain that? So we have to have the act of balancing emotions. When we are having act of balancing, then how we can get maturity? So while we are interacting in a particular formal setup, we have to behave just like adult to adult. How we can manage where while we are going to exercise any kind of transactional analysis? So here, the outcomes are nothing but the motivational level of people towards their engagement and empowerment and involvement, as well as the creativity and innovative ideas. So now any organization they can differentiate from others by virtue of their competent workforce. So one thing I can say here, it is very easy to imitate the technology or the resources, but while difficult to imitate the human resource base. Our people, their level of emotion, their level of commitment, the intrinsic factors to individual human beings, or you can say that potential, what they have. One component is emotion and emotional intelligence along with IQ. Intelligence quotient, or you can say emotional intelligence or emotional quotient, so many things you have learned. I should not go to that extent. So here, my thought is what we have presentation and interaction, then small case study. It is one page case study near about and brainstorming and one exercise how we can measure our existing or current level of emotional intelligence towards developing ourselves as a leader. As a leader, we are not followers, we have to be about leaders. So how can get maturity towards that extent? So that we have to have measure ourselves, we have to find out the drawbacks, our existing strength, our weaknesses, and what are the developmental interventions we can take care. And based on that, emotion, one thing I should not focus on that. One thing you say is an effective experience that accompanies generalized inner adjustment, mental and physiological states in individual. How it can go up, move out, or stir up. So in mover at the Latin word means to move out. Why to which extent we can go in the mental and psychological side of how can boost, how people feel good, how people they will enjoy are there, how they can accept unconditionally. If people they are out of that, and you say people always they don't like their boss, they don't they are task assigned, of course for the sake of job, they are not able to say anything to their boss or to their colleagues because of the dynamics. People may feel bad, but internally they are not feeling well. So, in that context, what we expect to get out of such kind of situation? So, here you have known about that the seven universal emotional, what are the families coming about the anger we express, we are not able to manage. The fear, whenever we are having. If fear, continuous fear, then it will affect our innovative and creative ideas. Then what about we are in the organization? we are not doing the work in most effectively and efficiently. So as it is traditional way, there is a fear, psychological fear. I may be failure one, but failure is a pillar of success. So we can get out of that. The organization should give or encourage that momentum. For that, people may not have fears towards failure, but they can continuously give that effort. One day, everyone is going to be the winner. Then sadness, then the disgust, then contempt, surprise, and enjoyable. At the end, we are achieving. That is nothing but the value driven. My emotion is, well, suppose I have to deliver. If I am not delivering at the end, I may not feel glad or I may not feel good. The factor of feel good factor may not come. Ultimately, it will affect the performance and enthusiasm level of individuals. So here you see the emotional development. How we can think of development of emotion among each and every one of the people who are working, what kind of organization it may be. So it is nothing but emotional intelligence is what? The capacity to be aware of, control and express of one's emotion to handle interpersonal relationships judiciously and empathetically. So nothing but how I can handle myself and how I can handle others. How I can develop myself, how I can help others to develop or grow. So that by emotional intelligence, when you finally realize it's not all about you, it is sometimes who are around us or around me. I can grow, I can develop, but I am not helping others to develop. So then emotional intelligence may not be arise in that situation. So then what is emotional intelligence here? Self-awareness, developing a positive sense of self-worth, problem solving, because of whether it is routine or non-routine. Routine, fixed rules, regulation, policies, standards, procedures are there. We are not able to exercise our brain. Then if it is unplanned, so suddenly we have to face any kind of situation, how we can react to that. So sometimes we are saying no, it is beyond my capacity. Without involving myself, without having attempt, I have to say it is beyond my capacity. Then what about me? I am not able to. And then myself. Then emotional management, how we have to manage one by one and what are the strategic measures we have to take, decision making, because being executives or whatever, we have to take in our entire life thousand and thousand decisions. Some of them might be wrong, but that doesn't mean all decisions are going to be wrong. All
కింద
decisions
మ్యాప్
are
ఇచ్చేద్దా
going to be wrong.
చెప్పేదంతా
Is
కింద
it
మ్యాప్
audible?
కింద ఉంటుంది మనం డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Hello? Is it audible?
పాలిమర్ ఫిజిక్స్ కూడా జాయిన్ అయితే రెండు చేయి కింద కడతాయి
వచ్చు.
కష్టం
When
అయితే
you think about emotional intelligence, because this is brief introduction I have to give, then I will go to the specific
వీకెండ్ అని
exercise. Then we can go to
Complete కావాలంటే exam
balance and maturity applications. This is all about the presentation. So emotional intelligence is two parts. One is interpersonal intelligence, nothing but self-awareness and self-management. And intrapersonal, sorry, intrapersonal self-awareness, self-management. Interpersonal, it is awareness and relationship. When you equate intrapersonal and interpersonal intelligence, it is nothing but total emotional intelligence. So why it is required in an organization setup? Because of it will affect some impact on productivity, low morale, poor teamwork. We are saying that team. So one thing, emotion, when my friend is getting appreciation from my boss, but I am not able to. There are several type of people. Those they may not like it. Those may not digest it. Why? Because emotionally they are not mature. And there are other people they are going to appreciate the performance. So that is the sense how we can behave at that situation, and also it will prevent the people who are mature emotion. There will be no emotion. Why? No emotion in this sense. You have to behave accordingly. If low emotion, then we have to be out of. mood, so that might be fatal and we are going to face an accident. So here the human brain system which will control emotional control and fear control, emotions and memory and regulates and our aggression system. Then what triggers our emotional reactions? Three things: people, the place, and the time. So depending on that, we have to behave accordingly and we have to think of what to do, what not to do, and how to talk, how to deal with the people. And you see history, this is the journey starting from Edward Thundick, 1930 to 1995, Goldman. So here how gradually social intelligence then move to components of intelligence, emotional strength, and you find and the multiple intelligence, emotional intelligence, then you can go to the emotional quotient and emotional intelligence article. Then now in what way it is more than IQ. So here, what emotional intelligence? So recognition, who am I? The awareness. Regulation, what I have to do, two dimensions. It's self, then self-awareness and self-management. So what I have to know if I am working executive, if I am a professor or if I am a teacher or if I am whatever my profession, first I have to know. So the ability to recognize and understand our own mood, emotion, drive, and whatever our value system. Self-management, how I have to behave or manage. So redirect the disruptive impulsions and moods which are destructive or distracting. Then think about the other social dimension and recognition and regulation. Two things: social awareness. We have to be empathetic. Means how we consider taking into consideration about others. We have to know about that. And social skills. So you think about what kind of skills we must have so that we can think about that. Basically, four emotions: glad, mad, or scared, and sad, whatever. Then Goldman's EQ model. First is saying self-awareness, know your emotions, whether I am top to level, below, or mediocre. Manage your emotion, how I have to develop based on that one exercise is there. Motivate yourself. How do I motivate myself? What are my what objective and vision so that in what way I can motivate myself? Recognize and understand other people's emotions. Manage relationships. Others' emotions. So it is not one-sided. It is while we are interacting, it is of both sides, give and take. And then you think about Goldman's emotional intelligence quadrants is saying about emotional self-awareness, near about self. And you see components of emotional concept. Interpersonal, self-regard, emotional self-awareness, independence, self-actualization, interpersonal, how we are exhibiting our empathetic. Social responsibility, being we have to present ourselves, interpersonal relationships, adaptability, these are fixed change. Reality testing, because situation, on the basis of situation, there is no ready-made capsule is available for all diseases. So based on that, we have to test and flexible and problem solving, stress management. So this is one which is the most important aspect is govern on that aspect, that is nothing but impulse control and how to manage stress, general mode optimism and happiness. You have to think about that. Then you see, basically these are the five competencies of emotional intelligence related to self three: self-awareness, self-regulation, self-motivation, empathy, and effective relationship are related to others. How can integrate among these three. So this is self-awareness, ability to recognize what we are feeling, understanding of our habitual emotional responses, recognize how our emotions happen. So here we have to think high score is required, nothing to say about that. But what are the strategies to develop? Work on identify our emotions. When I am to be excessive angry, sorry, when I have to be more delighted, when I am to be reserved. But why I am doing that? So I have to know. I have to sense that. Ask others how you are affecting them. That is feedback. So nothing but just like Johari in the art of getting feedback and providing feedback. So that is nothing but it is but another aspect of self-awareness. Sometimes what we have to see, I am 100% perfect. I am not able to get feedback from others. So I think my belief is what you see just my front, I am able to see my back. So whoever that side, they know about my weaknesses. When I am getting from that, then I have to develop. I am going to be mature one. Work on admitting what you need to change. So what is change is the only constant. It is not static and the fixed one. In order to achieve more, where behaviorally I have to change, skill-wise I have to change, and application or implementation, how to implement that strategy again I have to change. Then come to next one, self-management, how we are going to manage. Sometimes we are not able to control. We are saying prejudicially or prematurely, without judging, without going in deeper or detail. We are extending our thoughts or our understanding, but which is not 100% right. So first we have patience. We have to listen, develop the skill to have patience to listen and act. That is the nothing but the true leader. We have to give emphasis on listening, not managing fast without reacting. First, try to listen, try to sense what is the situation rather behaving in irrational way. So for that, what to do is strategies to develop, control self-talk. All necessary thoughts we have to avoid, eliminate, and automatic negative thoughts. Because negative thoughts are coming because we are human beings. So if anyone is saying I never, I won't have any negative thought, then I won't accept, nobody will accept because it will automatically come. Because when failure, why failure and success? Even if we are doing, we are going to get success, but there is a psychological fear. Then what will be my result? What is my score? And it is very when the examination is coming nearer, we are getting that thoughts will automatic, but we have to control that, manage that, and block that. Work on not blaming others. So one thing, this is the one typical limitation of leadership. What we are saying that a leader never blames others. So what we are saying, oh, this is a failure, then my subordinates are responsible. Why I should blame? I am part of that. It is a team effort. It is not the failure of a single person. Even if individually we are assigned, sorry. Oh, sorry. I sorry. So here, hello, hello, audible? Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
sorry, it is a disconnected problem. Then you think self-management, find others to learn from, mentors, seek out mentors, and motivation, ability to use our depressed emotion, have passion to work for reasons, then high scores everywhere is required, how we can practice being positive. Negativity is there, but we are trying to, but it is very difficult, but try to block that. And our set, we have to set our goals with smart goals, identify opportunities to take initiative. So it is empathetic, how we are considering others. So we are not always, we have to consider ourselves, but we are not thinking about others. We have to take equal footing. When you think about leader and subordinate relationship, so we are not coming to there. We are not, the leader is not thinking or presenting or just assuming what the follows they are thinking, then the process is not going to be a successful one. So that's why our body language and you see whatever how we are watching people, our interaction, our giving what concern. Then last one is relationship management. So how we can develop our giving mixed signals, work to build trust with others by keeping our words, being dependable and being reliable, be honest and communicate boundaries, set realistic expectations like that. So these are in brief. So based on that, now I want to share one exercise how, because this is what all you know, because of last four days what last 4 days interaction, you people get bored, same thing, and we are going to face another one.
You are not audible, sir.
Not audible, sir.
It is visible. The activity is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, I am explaining. Suppose it is emotional intelligence questionnaire based on five styles, five dimensions: self-awareness, managing emotions, motivating oneself, empathy, and social skills. So based on that, 50 questions are there. So here there are A, B, C, D, E, five blocks are there. This is lateral. But here you have to, your first job is what? You have to measure yourself. You ask the question to you. You ask the question to you. There are five questions, sorry, 50 questions. So after marking that, then again you can just take those marks. What is the score? 1. Suppose it is 3. Score 6. It is 7. Then we can sum up. This is A block. What is the total score for A block, B block, C block, D block, and E block? Then I will explain the further. So you see one by one. This is one. Further, I will just evaluate very briefly, just roughly write question number 1. Suppose mark is 2 out of 5. How you are measuring yourself out of 5 where you are. Is it understandable or any doubts? Hello.
Sir, after selection of on the scale 1 2 3 like 1 to 5, after these 15 questions,
Yeah.
do we need to add all the scores?
That is the block. You just complete. What suppose question number 13. I am giving 4. Then question number 12. It is 5.
Okay.
Question number 10. It is 5. You complete
Okay.
first that up to 50. Okay.
Okay.
Then after you just transform.
Okay.
That is the question number 1.
Hmm.
This one 1, 6, 11, 16, 46. These are coming under one category. I have changed the name A, B, C, D, E. I am not given what is what. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then we have to find out
Okay.
total score. Just within 10 minutes you can finish. Then we will go to the next one.
Okay. Please show the questions.
Yeah. One does not apply. 1, 2, 3 is one is extreme one. Then little bit sometimes applicable. Applies half the time. 3 it is middle. 5 always apply. Just like strongly disagree to strongly agree. Whatever you can find the Likert scale or whatever. So it is just like given.
Sir, can you show below questions? Till
Yeah,
11 we did.
everybody completed up to 10.
No, sir.
ठीक है ठीक है ओके shall I scroll?
Hello, sir. What do you mean by I do not prevaricate? Varicate 23.
Be very careful. Okay. You leave that. I will explain that.
Okay, sir.
What
Thank you.
No.
Sir, till question number 25 is done.
Okay. So question number 23 is sometimes to save myself, I have to give false and fabricated information. So I have to create a story to escape myself.
Okay, okay. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Seventeen nineteen, Maheshwari will come in 1719.
Understand?
Done, sir.
Done. Everybody? Hello? Everybody, I think, completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you just go to the table. So you sum up question number 1, 6, 46 up to 2, then 47 like that. And what is the total score you calculate out for these 10 questions? Suppose 1 is 3 and 6 is 5, 3 plus 5, 8 like that, 10 questions score. Each group wise you have to find out.
Sir, can you please repeat how to calculate?
Suppose whatever score you are getting here, 1.
For example, one is answer is 3. Let us suppose 1.
1 is 3. Then you can write here 3. Then
Where
what is
in
the
the
score? 6. 6. What is the score for question number 6? Like that you have to sum simple calculation of 10. Then you can get the total.
So in the A, all the questions up to 1 to 1, 6, 11, all these are the question numbers. There we have to put the scores.
The black bold are question numbers. White you have to put the respective scores.
Okay.
Okay. Completed? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir. Give some time.
Okay. Okay. Not done.
2, 3.
Sir, please show the last 3 questions.
Last 3?
Yes, sir.
48, 49, 50. Motivation has been the key to my success. Reasons for disagreement are always clear to me. I generally build solid relationships with those I work with. These are all behavioral aspects.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay.
Sir, can you show the calculation slide?
No? 8.
Sir, can you please show 1 to 26 questions?
Still pending. Yes. Yes.
Sir, up to 30.
30. 30.
From 26 to 30. Thank you, sir.
Sir, calculation slide once more.
Given now.
Sir, 25 to 30, sir.
Again.
25 to 30, sir. I didn't see 25 to 30.
Because you have to go to the next candidate.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Calculation over.
Sir, can you scroll the last question? 35 to 50.
Sir, done with the calculations.
So I have to get 5 volunteers who can share, 5 to 10 volunteers who can share their scores.
Sir, give some time. Give another 2 minutes for calculation, sir. This calculation part, please show once. 2 minutes.
Up to question and 50 is over.
May I, sir?
Over, sir. Yeah. Calculation, please show, sir.
Acha, calculation table. Because of multiple demands.
May I share?
Just wait, I'll ask, and because of some explanation. Calculation over.
1 minute, sir.
Over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1-1 you can serve. Five people. You share your score. For A.
Sir, I'm Anita. My score for A was 49.
4-9.
49. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this is Rinky from St. Martin's. My score for A is
Madam,
yes,
wait.
sir.
Ankita madam complete all five dimensions. All
Okay,
5
sir.
dimensions. Anita madam will complete.
Yeah, A is 49, B is 32, C is 42, D is 44, and E is 52.
Pardon?
E is 52.
Madam, 52 is not possible.
Sir, pardon, sir?
52, how you can score? Total is 50 marks, 10%.
A 44.
1 minute, sorry. I will invite. And Anita madam, you are question.
E score, sir?
E.
E score, I got 52. I think I should
No.
recheck.
No, madam, you see, I explain.
9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. 27 plus 5, 32. 32 plus 5, 37. And 37 plus 5, 42. 42 plus 3.
45. Because why? I will explain if anybody is having each question maximum is 5. If 10
Yes, sir.
question,
Yes, sir.
total mark is 50. Okay. Then
So
second.
last one is 45, sir.
Yeah, second volunteer.
Sir, this is Rinky Sanyal from St. Martin's.
Okay.
So for me, A is 37,
G.
B is 33,
33.
C is 29,
29.
D is 43,
43.
and E is 40.
40. Good.
Thank you, sir.
And then third volunteer.
May I, sir?
Yeah.
Myself, Satya Garg from Delhi, sir.
Madam, your name?
Satya Garg.
Not clearly.
Satya Garg. Satya
Garg.
Garg. Yes, sir.
Garg.
Garg. G-A-R-G.
Okay, Garg. Yes,
sir, my A score is 46.
Good.
B 37.
Good.
C 39.
39.
D 40.
40.
And E 32.
32. Good. Then fourth volunteer.
Hello.
Yes.
I am Sandhya.
Sandhya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
A is 31, sir.
31.
B 23.
23.
C 35.
35.
D 38.
D 38.
E 28, sir.
28. Good. Then last one. Any sir. Madam log to 4. 4 madams. Only sir. Sir will say. Let we have sample from both populations.
Sir, myself.
Hello.
Sir, myself.
Sir, it is not clear. Name is what?
Akshay Das.
Oh, okay. Okay. A is?
A 35.
Okay.
B 36.
36.
C 29.
29.
D 35.
35.
E 39.
E 39. This is what? And others. And may I note how many participants today they are attending?
96, sir.
Okay. So like that we can get.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, You have double mic on, so please switch off one mic. Two videos are on there. I hope so. Because it's resounding. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. That will do. Great, 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 good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, then we will go to the last page. Then I have to explain what is A. A, you write self-awareness. B, managing emotions. Please write down. You relate your score. A is self-awareness. B is managing emotions. C is motivating oneself. D is empathy. E is social skills. So based on that, you see this table. The score is what? 35 to 50.
Sir, please once again repeat it. Sir, please repeat.
A here, group A is self-awareness. Clear?
Sir.
B, managing emotions.
Okay, sir. C.
Motivating oneself, self-motivation.
Okay, sir. Next.
D, empathy. D for Delhi, empathy.
Yes, empathy. E.
Social skills. So these are the dimensions required for effective leadership. Suppose with respect to emotional intelligence, how we can use emotional intelligence dimensions towards building of leadership capability. So we have to first measure ourselves. The ideal score is what? 35 to 50. So you see, if those who are having close to 50, and you say, why I am collecting 5 samples, it is for the sake of understanding and we know. And I should not say who is good and who is bad. That is not my intention. Intention is what? How we see. Because it is, suppose you are having interaction on emotional intelligence. How can we are saying so many words and jargons and concepts, text, message, definitions. But how we can get it? So what is my level of emotional intelligence dimensions? Based on that, whether I am capable enough to being a leader or not, how it will help me to exercise my leadership capabilities and potential. So based on that 35 to 50, so still there is 15 gap. So 35 means it is 70%. So 70% to 100%, we can say it is okay. But those who are approaching 50, very good. Suppose 90 to 100 is well. Then still there is a scope for development. Suppose we can say anyone, suppose Sandhya Madam. Sandhya Madam has given with permission of all 5 participants, which were due permission. I am going to just give this one example. This is not to say who is having higher EI or lower EI. That is not my intention or motive. How I can relate to that, so that for the sake of understanding. Suppose let us take the example of Sanjana. He has self-declared with respect to self-awareness 31. Still not bad, giving attention. So 31 very close to 34, means near about 69% to close. So here C is up to 65 to 69. So still there is further to develop in social awareness or self-awareness dimension. Then you come to 10 to 11. This is the concern for development. So this is the serious concern. So we have to think for, so no one, I assume, no one is having 10 to 17. So everybody, they are having much ahead, means 30%, sorry, 50 means more than, nearly about 40% and above. So then come to managing emotions. Again, Madam Sandhya, she has declared it is 20, managing emotions, it is 23. So I don't know whether Madam is more emotional and sentimental or whatever, or not able to managing emotions. I don't know, but whether it is because of the questionnaire, sometimes if we are not understanding to that extent, might be our scores may be wrong one. So that might be the sampling error, or you can say response error. The response error here, sampling error, I won't say, because 5 sounds very limited sample I have taken. I have not taken 96, 10% of that, less than that I have taken. So that's why I can say, suppose we can develop again. So then again, that dimension of empathy, sorry, motivating oneself. Third one is author. So here, Sandhya ma'am may be happy. Someone is again below to her. But that is not the question. Question is what? How we are responding. Suppose, let us take the example of Athar sir. Athar sir is declaring himself, yes, my what motivating oneself, means self-motivational capability is 29. So that is again, it is in the level of 18 to 34. Still I have to develop, because I have to go to this level, 35 to 50. And then come to empathetic. How I am considering others while I am working with others. How I am considering others, and how I can take into consideration their account or their confidence, and I will boost them. So that is nothing but empathetic. Again, out of that 5 scores, 44, 43, 40, 38 and 35. Again 35 is 5 Athar case is 35. So here again, we have to see about exactly is above. Now he is thinking of all in that dimension, all 5 samples, they are at the range of 35 to 50. But still, if you say mere 35, it is exactly 70%. But still there is a gap 30% gap is not a small one. We have to approach, but we are saying on an average, it is quite manageable. So again, little bit we have to make awareness or feedback, or what kind of information or any guidance or counseling, whatever we can do later on I have to do. But then last one. So last one out of 5 scores, 45, 40, 32, 28 and 39. So 28 is the last one. Last one with respect to that, social skills. So how I have to bring to work in a team, how I will exhibit, and I am to be a team player, whether people will accept me or not. To that extent, I have to think of. So here, my score is 28, means I have to lack how I can influence others, how I can build relationships, how I can develop my interpersonal skills, how I have to deal with interpersonal, the skills for interpersonal relations and dealings. So based on that, we have to find out here. So which are my strengths? Suppose you find that self-awareness, my strength, maybe emotion. I may not manage my emotions. Maybe I am not empathetic. I may be self-centric. Let others, I am completing, people they are saying that. And already, and so many of you, maybe faculty members, you are dealing with behavioral part. We are saying about whether others what they are doing being a team, I am doing my job well. Then what is the objective? At the end, total team is going to be failure one. But I have done my job nicely. What is the objective of that? Nothing. So in that case, these two are coming to deal with others, and these 3 are relating to myself. Then what are my strengths and what are my weaknesses? Based on that, we have to find out need attention. Based on my score, what can be done? Then here my question to all classes now, it is open to discuss. So what are the minimum requirements so that we can develop self-awareness, or what we have to do so that we are going to be aware about our job, about our department, about our section, about our organization, about my colleagues, about my peers, whatever. So what I have to do, what steps I have to take so that I can develop my self-awareness skills. So I can just, you put forward your thoughts. It is just like, that's why I am saying it is presentation is not one-sided, it should be two-sided. So I think, okay, you have understood from this exercise. What action plan? Suppose my score is less with respect to self-awareness. If it is high, nothing to say, they are fine. But if it is low, assume my dimension with respect to self-awareness is less in comparison to that. Then what can be done from organization point of view? What can be done from self? So here interventions can be carried out. Interventions can be carried out by both self as well as the organization. So what I have to do? Self-awareness, concentrate. I am not well aware. Why I am not well aware? I am attentive. I am regularly attending the whatever forum discussion. I am regularly observing the notice, circulars, whatever. I am up to date about my job. What are the requirements? What are the expectations? What organization will expect from me, whether I know or not? One example, I am saying that people, they might be delegated to different committees, forums, or you see, and they are the representatives. They are sitting there, simple. They are not saying a single word because they don't know. For the being of employee, they one has suggested his name and is going to attend. But why is attending? He has to put forward his thoughts. But without putting forward my thoughts, I am simple silent. Means which clears that I don't know about what is my role. So role clarity must be there. Clear? Yes or no? I have given the hints of self-awareness. Then anyone voluntarily will say about how we can manage our emotions. Please, just like voluntarily you say, anyone. Yeah.
Sir, can I?
Yeah. Okay.
So maybe by increasing our self-awareness.
Okay. Self-awareness is independent, managing emotion is independent. But it is common to a specific person. You are aware. Sometimes you are not managing. Suppose you are emotional, we are crying. Whenever my boss is saying something, I have done mistake, I am able to cry, just like behaving childish. I am showing my exhibiting childish behavior. Why it is happening? Because boss is telling. If you ask, boss is telling, left, right. It is expected, it is not there, you are always habitual, late, and so many things they are telling. And you are not always up to mark. So suddenly we are not able to accept him sportively. The example I have given. Then now you say whatever, it is right, nothing wrong. Madam is silent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You say, I have clarified that. Okay.
Yeah.
So how you can manage your emotions?
So because once we are self-aware, automatically we tend to get a self-control as well. Because we know that after this particular step, things might go right or might go wrong because we have already faced that earlier. So self-awareness leads to self-control.
Okay. Second, third one, motivating oneself. Any idea from that? Motivating. How can motivate myself?
By praising self.
Hello.
By praising self.
Yeah. Just extend your words.
Whenever we are doing something and if no one is saying anything, you need to praise yourself. You need to praise your work.
Okay. That is the meaning about how we can motivate ourselves. The question
We
is,
should have inspiration. We should take. We should have strong inspirations. We should have strong goals, sir.
okay, goal is there. Vision is clear. Intent is clear. Okay, then
We should take people who inspire us. We should like motivational speeches or something like that.
Yeah, you follow your ideals or role models. Okay, what they are doing, or you can read the success stories of others. That is learning from examples. Okay, then.
Sir, one way is to attend these type of programs.
We should think about.
At a time, please, one by one, you can. I am sitting here. At a time, we can. Okay.
The thing is, we can think about the fruit, what we will do once we achieve the goal, like what we will gain. If we think about that, that will motivate what we get by doing or achieving particular goal. That can motivate.
One example I am saying. So you see your boss and your job. Don't take it otherwise. If boss is not that much cooperative, that is right. We can't say good boss or bad boss. It is immaterial. This job first. Your competency is something, and your expectation is something, but the organization has wrongly placed you. Your skills, sometimes you like, don't take it otherwise. Sometimes my skill set is different, and my boss is saying compulsorily you can take this course. Then what is my ultimate motivational level? For the sake of completing, I can complete. So you see, the area of interest, sometimes we are thinking about that. What is my capability? Whether I am 100% understood what is to be done and it is matching to my area or not, my competency, that is there. Then come to empathy. When and why we have to be empathetic to others? Because we are working in a team, in an organization, we are not working in vacuum. So in isolation, we are working with people. So sometimes we have to think ourselves and we have to think about others. So whatever your skills which are leading to empathetic, means thinking about others. You find your fellow mates, they are in distress. Can you sit silently? You can share. You can give encouragement. You can clarify whatever bottlenecks. So already one day I have faced this situation when my other fellow colleagues they are facing. I am not able to intervene. I am not going to help them. How they can grow? Then last one is social skills. Because we are social beings, we might have studied from awesome study, and human relations theory is nothing but industry as your social system or organization as a social system. Means people they are working and it is first motivation. And how we have to interact, our fellow feelings, we are sharing our companionship, or we have to develop relationship within we see formal group. There are informal groups framed, because while we are moving to canteen for coffee, it is not all 10 people we are moving. Only subgroup, 3 or 4. It is again intimacy, depend on the intimacy. So whatever you find, so what kind of skills we have to have so that we are more considerative to the others. While we are interacting, we are sociable. Means people will accept me and I can accept other. I am easily able to reach before them. So based on that, identifying need, attention, what are the existing levels, then we can plan. Whether the person is having problem with respect to empathy and emotion, then we have to think of. Whether the person is having self-awareness and social skills, then we can think of what are the developmental priority. Development, nothing but we can go for behavioral training, or we can go for any customized training with respect to that. Because of industries they are having, people they might have skills, but behaviorally they are not quite mature. So for them, they have to send to different what you see labs, behavioral labs, and where they can be trained and they have to study to, and they can send to different assessment and development centers where multiple assessors they can observe, and they have to find out what are the problems lying with respect to human dimensions in general and emotion in particular. So this is all about the story behind exercise of this exercise. The story behind the exercise of this. Shall I go to the slide again? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, can we get the questionnaire shared?
Pardon?
साइंस आइए दोस्त ले मैं डॉक्टर पेटिशन मांगते
Sir, excuse me.
Pardon?
Sir,
Hello?
excuse me.
Yeah.
Shall we close it by 5 minutes, sir? As we have second session starting as 11:40.
Okay. Okay, then it is interaction. Now 5 minutes for interaction. Professor Panda.
Yes.
After 5 minutes, I have to close, or what?
How many minutes you take to close, madam?
10 minutes, no more than that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Please, sir. Please continue. Please continue.
Okay. Ani. Slide is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Then you
Visible, sir.
compare with
Visible.
respect to IQ and EQ. IQ is nothing but thinking part. EQ is nothing but the feeling part. So based on that, we have to find out here. Sorry. So emotional quotient or emotional intelligence is equal to W, nothing but wisdom, and multiplied by what intelligence quotient, that is nothing but actual age by mental age by actual age into 100, whatever you calculate, and that is nothing but the. But here these are the benefits of the EI and other presenters. My thought is what? How we can manage balance. So emotional balance, nothing but the ability to the mind and body to maintain equilibrium and flexibility in the face of challenge and change. So here, these top emotions run just below the level of consciousness. Then it is not possible. So on the basis of that, here different dimensions we have to think about and being our wellness field: physical, social, emotional, spiritual, intellectual, and occupational. These because we can't live, because we are living in society, we have to think about all wellness. And later on, at this slide can be shared with you because time is very short. Then what is emotional maturity here? Then to maturity. Emotional maturity is concept which means that individual arrives to adulthood is no longer a helpless or rebellious adolescent. It also lifts the person above his childish thoughts and behavior. So while you are your transactional analysis, while you are interacting, it must be adult to adult. It must not be parent to child or child to parent or adult to parent or parent to adult. Being we are interacting in formal way, then we have to link up that. Then you see importance of emotional maturity. Three things we have to say: our career, our relationship, and our life. So if we are not mature, then we might get some problem with respect to career, relationship, and our personal life. And then I have to go about the applications part. So here we have said so many things as time constraint is there. Applications of EI nothing but skills and competency how we are going to be enhance or acquire, then workplace relations, leadership, teamwork, managing change, managing conflicts, stress management, empowerment and involvement, workplace engagement, fostering creativity and innovation. These are few. It is a very wide application, and we can think of. I am focusing only for working person. Someone may focus the society as common citizen. Someone may be focus on the individuals as members of family. So different dimensions and different you find out, and these are the skills and competencies you require. Nothing but what are the qualities of the person and the soft skills we must have. Then social skills, building bonds, teamwork and collaboration, change catalyst, influence, inspirational leadership. Then how we can interact. It must be adult to adult. That skill we must know. Then it is nothing. Emotional intelligence and leadership competencies. It is nothing but four. And you see interdependent leadership styles, individual motives and competencies, job requirements, organizational climate. And you see these are for your sake of material. Leadership styles. You see behavior based on process and do task. I must be analyzer. Think about accuracy. Think about task and expediency, and we have to persuade, and we have to think and tell people that is controller, that is nothing but action, interference. And think about process and people, it is appreciation. People, they are doing well. Persuader, people, whether they will go ahead or not, or how people they can achieve, based on people and expediency, and we have to exhibit our approval. Then emotional quotient application to leadership. How we can manage. Already this exercise you have done is a part of that. Managing ourselves, managing the team, managing the work, and managing collaboratively. So collaboration is one. Team is nothing but shared leadership and collaboration. And accountable to individual task assignment. So here how can develop the followers. So out of these four followers, yes, seeds and alienated, they are very linear. But you see effective follower also because of the social skills. Leader might be right, but followers, they are not effective. What can be done? How they are going to be effective followers? We have to think about the two dimensions. Independent and critical thinking, we have to develop them, and so that they are going to be effective, and we can call them effective followers. Then team effectiveness. How can say when team is going to be effective? Contextual, the organization setup, the reward policy, work design, the process, it is clear. But the composition, who are the members, capabilities of the member, personalities, and the numbers, how we can have interact with them, and member flexibility versus rigidity. If people rigid, they may not accept each other. So sometimes some conflict may arise, but consensus is required. At the end, we have to reach at the consensus. That is the matter. And then resistance. Why people they resist? Then we have to manage the change. It is a thing. Generally, people they don't like to come out of their comfort zone. So they are not ready to come out of their comfort zone. So that's why they are reluctant. So how we can get them comfortable? Then we have to think of. And not few another 2-3 minutes I will take because you see conflict, the key slide. So cooperativeness and assertiveness, what I know, self-awareness and others, they know. Cooperative, I can cooperate, others will cooperate. So mutual relationship, again we can, that is directed from EI, or you can say emotional balance or maturity. 5 styles you can follow here: avoiding, accommodating, compromising, competing. Best one is collaborating. But depending on the situation, when people they are not able to accept each other at the beginning, it is better to avoid. So collaborating is the best one. Like that, n number of things, just stress management. So in order to manage that, we have to flexible, stress tolerance, and we have to develop optimism. And workforce engagement, this is the key factor. So emotionally, people, if they are not mature, it is very difficult to engage with respect to their assigned task and target. So that's why we have to think of why engagement is low, and there is nothing but how dedicated you are leading to, and job, whatever. So already I have explained my job inspires me. I am proud of the work that I do. To me, my job is challenging. Always we need that. If not, because mentally I am not accepting, and inner motivation is not there, and emotional level is low, then how can we expect higher engagement and productivity of each and every individual? So these are, and the impact of work culture along with employee development, where you can think of the EI, and these are the outcomes. So like that, the creative, how people they are going to be creative and innovative, because it is the call. This might be the this is I will concluding myself. Because nowadays we are having human resource, but one thing is that every organization they are thinking each and how we have value adding human resource, they can continue their creative and they are innovative, they are having unique capability, so that they can contribute in significant way, and the organization will achieve a greater height. So with these words, I conclude my interaction. Then any query? Panda sir, over to Panda sir.
So kindly share your email ID so that we can.
It is available with Professor Panda, but you write Sahusi, SAHOOC @nitrkel.ac.in.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So Panda sir, so your next session is due. Hello.
Sir, may I speak something?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Sahu sir, Sahu sir, really thank you. Actually, nobody provide the calculation and the approach of interpreting the things. Though I am not a faculty of this stream, I am a faculty of engineering. But really, thank you to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure, and also I am also thankful all of you, because you are, though the pandemic has given this opportunity, we are able to learn, and distance is not a matter, and all are actively from asking questions, which indicates that all are actively involved. So that's why it is my pleasure to interact with this galaxy of intellectuals, and I will remember all these. Then over to Professor Panda, Nilamadhav Panda.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Panda sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
I'm already completed my job.
Thank you so much. Because now, with a little information,
time is very short, sir. Because
I know. This session has to be that there must be 2 sessions to complete.
Yeah,
this.
exactly.
But we compressed it because of the time and other things that we are talking about. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. And I am hopeful that whenever you are coming to Hyderabad, you are going to visit us. Okay.
My pleasure.
And
My pleasure.
Show, and the second section now we'll be having a wonderful session. Not virtually, physically. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Sahu. And I must thankful to Dr. Panda for referring you to me. That when I asked him, I was asking about Suprat Bagchi and all, and he told that no, you call Chandan sir also. He's also quite damn good in that.
Sir, actually, I am having couple of exercises because of telling this rather. By doing exercise and telling that, then it will be more fruitful. But because of, you see, in the morning, some problem is happened to me, and I little bit mind for this.
Thank you so much, but still then you have come down. There was no power, but still you came, you adjusted everything. I know that what is there in NIT Rourkela and all. But anyway, you managed and you came back. Thank you so much. Namaste, sir.
Okay. Namaste.
And looking forward to seeing you physically in Hyderabad.
Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Namaskar.
Namaskar,
sir. So, may I now take Somya ma'am? Somya ma'am?
Panda sir, can you give a break for 10 minutes?
Yeah, I'll be giving a break for 10 minutes. But no, let me talk to Somya ma'am for some time because she has joined already, I hope. Okay. So, shall we start it by 11:50?
Sure, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, exam time.
Exam time is 3:30, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
30 questions. Let me clarify. If you have any questions, some people told that questions. So let me take some questions. Any questions, please ask me. We have MCQs, okay, and you have to ABCD questions are there. You have to answer any one of that, and by that 60% of mark is required. No, it's mandatory to get your certificate. Okay, the exam will be there 3:30 sharp. I'll be giving you, and I expect you to give it back by 4 o'clock. That's for sure.
By Google Form, sir.
Yes, Google Form, ma'am.
Okay,
sir. Please share it on WhatsApp group also.
Yeah, I'll share it in the WhatsApp group and this also, and I'll share it in mail also. Would like, if at all possible, No, okay, but no, mail are not easy because so many people they have not joined. So let me check with WhatsApp group and I'll send a mail also. How best can be done. Okay, but you are expected to go and only half an hour.
So exam is today itself.
Today itself, 30 question, 30 marks, multiply by 2, 60 marks, madam. Okay, yeah, 30 question per question, 2 marks. 30 multiplied by 2 is equal to 60 marks. 30 minutes time. Okay, that I can give. By 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, I want it to be updated to the AICTE portal. Okay?
Sure, sir.
Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Any other?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other questions? Questions, and I have seen Meryl saying, madam, she was very seriously loaded. Okay, that's a good thing that I can see it. Anyway, what I'm talking about is that please participate. I'm thankful to all of you to participate, but we are little not happy because yesterday at 3:45 we had a meeting. We had what do you call it now? Swamiji's lecture, and the number were very less. Okay, so that could have been, but anyway, we have given you the YouTube link. Okay, please join and watch that at least once, because otherwise you cannot answer questions. I'm sorry to say. Okay, I speak these questions, please. PPTs we have given and videos we have given. Okay, so PPTs and video, almost all the things from the PPTs and video, not a single question out of the area. Is that okay with all of you?
Yes, sir. Panda sir, one more request. Whatever attachment you are sharing,
yeah,
whatever they are, I say locked.
No. One thing, another thing I have done in Nomad, sir.
We have to request. Yes.
I have downloaded and share it through WhatsApp group.
Okay. Yes, you have sent it on WhatsApp group, the YouTube links. Yes.
You can download and watch
but
it.
the presentations, PPTs, they are. You have shared it in the chat box, no, as an attachment. So they are not downloadable.
Okay, so I'll be sending it again, sir. What are the
Yes, it require access to the participants. Access is denied from your side.
What is that? No, maybe videos, I hope.
No, PPTs as well as documents you share as attachments.
Okay. Just a minute.
On the screen, yes, on the screen on the left hand side bottom, attachment option is there.
Hello. Am I audible, ma? Hello. Am I audible? Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes, you were talking something. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am just saying that on the yes, sir. On the left hand side bottom, there is a tab. When a pop-up window comes out, there is an attachment section. You have shared the last 4 days attachments over there, but they are not having any permission. We require access to those.
No, listen. What I'm talking about is that the permissions access to low. Okay, forget about that. No, we don't talk about that. What I'm talking about, all the videos I have downloaded and put it across, and I thank Dr. Someshwar that he put it across. I hope in that Google WhatsApp group. Am I right? The same videos you are not allowed to watch it. Okay, all the videos are there. You can watch it.
I'm talking about notes, sir. Notes. Not the videos. Yeah, PPTs and other material.
We will share with you.
Any doubts? Prepare the same thing for the test also. For exams also, you can prepare the same thing. I give maximum content in that. You can prepare it.
Okay, that will do. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Make some arrangements so that we can able to download that, or either share in a WhatsApp group the links of the Google Drive.
Anand sir, we will share with you.
Yeah.
We will share in group, sir, WhatsApp group.
Siddhi sir is speaking. Someshwar sir is speaking. It is already shared in the WhatsApp group. Please check it right now. He has shared it just now, I hope. Okay. Please check it. Hopefully everything is going good. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. We'll be joining by 11:50 sir. Okay. Thank you.